Hello family, hello. So I hope you are doing well. So I'm coming with another episode of hair treatment. Like I always say, things that we are eating or our spices are good for the hair. So today we're gonna make our hair hydration with okra. But as you can see here, you know, in Europe okra is very expensive. That's why every time I cook okra, I always leave the head and the tail, like you can see. And that is the way, because head and tail, all the normal middle, everything is good. So then today I just want to hydrate my hair because my hair feel like dry. I say, okay, let me just take my okra hair, head and tail and make my okra gel. So today we're gonna make our okra gel for hydration. Okra is very good for our hair. It's hydrating the hair. How am I doing it? It's very easy. I'm just tell you, if you are somebody that like eating okra, or your husband, I don't know, so you can just leave your head and tail, save it in the freezer, and you see they were in the freezer. Then make your okra gel with it, because okra here in Europe is very expensive. But if you are in Africa, if you are everywhere where okra is cheap, then maybe you don't need the tail and the head. So then what I'm gonna do is just to add, you can add the quantity of water that you think that will go with your hair, because if you have, it depends of the quantity of your hair. So this one is think is okay for my hair, so I just have to add it like this. So see, okay, then on the fire, then leave it like that. When the okra started boiling, you will see the gel. I'll come and show you. Okay, then see you soon. So family, look at this. So now we just have to strain it and put on our hair. So just look at our gel. So let it just cool a bit down, and I will strain it again. Okay, because the way you are seeing it here, there are some particles inside, and I don't want them to remain on my hair. See, that it is. So now let's just strain it again. See what was inside. I don't want it to stay into my hair. So okay, then after everything, now you can see I'm just gonna add some drop of my Diawa turmeric oil. So then add some drop of my ginger oil. This is ginger oil. Just gonna add like this. I'm gonna mix everything. So then add it on my bottle. is our okra gel. So family, that is our okra gel. What I'm gonna do now, just to add it into my hair, then leave it like 30 minutes, and after that go and wash and use my shampoo. I use the deep conditioner, and then yes, they make my protective style, and I'm good for the week. Okay, so thank you for watching, and so if you are not subscribed, just subscribe to help me grow my small channel that I just started, to show how I'm doing my DIY hair treatment. Okay, then see you in the next video. Bye.